Hey everybody, in this video I will show you exactly on how to use Midjourney AI for logo designing. Make sure to watch the video until the end to get the most out of it. Before we start, I recommend checking out the link in the description box to create your account on Midjourney. To use Midjourney AI for logo design, first open up the Midjourney site. Free stock photos are often overused and can be found across the internet. To tackle this issue, I've discovered a quick and cost-free method to recreate stock photos using a tool called Midjourney. After opening its site, click on Join the Beta Server. Then, you need to accept invite to join Midjourney. There are millions of followers on this server. Once you accept the invite, it will take some time to open your Discord. When you get access to the Midjourney server in your Discord, you can see codes or rules by which you can gain various advantages. For example, if you type /image, the bot will send you 4 images in 60 seconds. Alternatively, you can click numbered buttons underneath to get upscales or variations. You can also find other important things to know. If you want to join newcomer rooms, you can choose to join the room within the minimum numbers of newcomers. Alternatively, you can see the discussions under the chat block. You can also create your server. To do that, click on the add icon from the navigation bar, then click on Got It, and choose the Create My Own Server option. After that, tell them about your server by choosing the For Me and My Friends option. Now it will ask you to enter the name of your server and click on Create It. Once you have successfully created your server, you can invite your friends, personalize your server with icons, send your first message, download the Discord app, and add your first app. Then go into the Midjourney server, and you will find different photos uploaded by someone. To add these photos to your Discord, all you need to do is click on the Show Member List icon from the top and tap on the Midjourney bot, meaning your Discord channel. It will show you a drop-down menu. Click on the Add App option. After that, select a server and click on Continue. Now hit the Authorize button to add the server to your Discord. If you haven't verified your email address, do that and then you will be able to add the app. Now, verify your email address. When you receive the verification code on your Gmail account, your account will be verified successfully. Now try to add the app by using the same process. Click on your Discord, hit the Add App button, and then select the server to add to your server. Click on Continue and be authorized to do so. Now go back to your server and your app will be added. Then pass the command as, here you can send Midjourney prompts. To start with, passing the first prompt as /imagine and passing the prompt as a letter mark of letter B, logo, sans font, vector, simple. After passing the command, hit the enter button. Now you need to click on the accept TOS button. Then click on the manage account option. After that, hit the checkbox and visit the site. After that, click on Log In on Midjourney Discord. So hit the Authorize button to get access to the external application, Midjourney Bot. Meanwhile, we will discuss the pricing plans of Midjourney. So, it offers you 3 different plans known as the Basic Plan, Standard Plan, and Pro Plan. The Basic Plan offers you $8 and comes with limited generations, around $200 per month. General commercial terms, access to a member gallery, optional credit top-ups, and 3 concurrent fast jobs. Then we have the Standard Plan, which costs $24 and comes with 15 hours of fast generations, unlimited relax generations, general commercial terms, access to member gallery, optional credit top-ups, and 3 concurrent fast jobs. Lastly, we have the Pro Plan, which costs $48 and comes with 30 hours fast generations, unlimited relax generations, general commercial terms, access to member gallery, optional credit top-ups, self-image generation, and 12 concurrent fast jobs. After that, open up a new tab and search for Midjourney type of prompts here. Once you find the prompt, go into Images, and you will find many useful images here. When you find the prompts of Midjourney from the web browser, click to open its site and you will see the basic prompts here. A basic prompt can be as simple as a single word, phrase, or emoji. The Midjourney bot works best with simple, short sentences that describe what you want to see. Avoid long list of requests. Instead of show me a picture of lots of blooming California poppies, make them bright, vibrant, blah blah blah, try bright orange California poppies drawn with colored pencils. Scroll down a bit to find advanced prompts. You can find more advanced prompts that include 1 or more image URLs, multiple text phrases, and 1 or more parameters. You can find the image prompts, text prompts, and parameters from here. Let's see the text prompt from here. The text description of what image you want to generate. See below for prompting information and tips. Well-written prompts help generate amazing images. The parameters change how an image is generated. Parameters can change aspect ratios, models, upscale, and lots more. Parameters go at the end of the prompt. After that, open up a new tab and search for Ebac Design Midjourney here. Now click to open up its site, and from here, you will find the Midjourney prompt for logo design. It is written as / imagine a mascot logo of a robot, simple vector, no shading detail. Now we will see the promotion for the lettermark type of logo, and it's written as / imagine a lettermark of letter A, logo serif font, vector, simple, no realistic details. The prompt for the mascot type of logo is / imagine a mascot logo of a robot, simple, vector, no shading detail. Then we have the emblem type of logo, which is / imagine an emblem for a motorcycle group, vector, simple, no photorealistic details. You can also find prompts for artistic genres like still, psychedelic art, and pop art. Additionally, Midjourney assists in prompt creation. You can use the shorten feature to refine and optimize your prompts for better outcomes. For famous designers like Pablo Picasso, the prompt will be used as / imagine a flat vector logo of a lion head minimal by Pablo Picasso, no realistic photo detail. In conclusion, this method allows you to generate custom photos based on stock images. By iterating through prompts and making adjustments, you can achieve the desired results. Remember, these AI generators provide a cost-effective alternative to traditional stock photography. If you're interested in trying Midjourney, I recommend checking out the link in the description box. That is it for the video. Please leave a like and subscribe to the channel for more tutorials like this. Thanks for watching. Bye.